So I'm going to talk to you about my own cold plunge experience. So when I was reading about this therapy, I was actually on a beach in Florida and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm totally going to do this when I get home. Well, I hate being cold. I mean, I really hate it. I lived in Las Vegas the majority of my life. I actually really like being warm. I love it here because of all the beauty, but I really hate being cold. So when I got home, I was all geared up to get into the ocean. It's not going to happen. So, because I need to be warm. And so I was like, okay, let's bring this in the clinic because I am probably not alone in that. So, the way I use it is I get really warm in the sauna and then I'm able to tolerate the cold. But what I found is the more often I do this, the more cold tolerant I am outside so that I can walk around in 60-degree weather and not feel like I'm dying. And that is just kind of an amazing thing. As well, I've noticed, so I try to cold plunge in the morning. I go to yoga and then I come in and I do my cold plunge and I start my day. And what I really notice is that I am just like so invigorated, so alive. I feel really great. But sometimes I don't have time for that. And so it has to come at the end of my day. And that I find really helpful too, because I've had a full day of seeing patients and then I have maybe I need to work until 10 or 11 o'clock at night because there's a lot of things going on here and a lot of things that need to get organized. So I hop in the cold plunge, I get that boost of dopamine, and I'm able to work efficiently. I am not recommending that everybody wear it till 11 o'clock at night by any means, but definitely if that's something you need to do, if you need more focus, more life in your life, get in here and cold plunge.